Join us as we step onto the vast African savannah, where lions reign as the true rulers of the animal kingdom. These majestic creatures have captivated human imagination for centuries, with their powerful presence and ferocious hunting prowess. From the legendary Mufasa of the Lion King to the real-life lions of the Masai Mara, lions have inspired countless tales of strength, courage, and loyalty. But beyond the Hollywood fantasy lies a harsh reality. Lions are facing unprecedented threats, from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Embark with us as we delve into the world of lions, exploring their remarkable biology, the unique social structures, and the challenges they face in the modern world. This is the story of the kings and queens of the savannah, and the battle to ensure their survival in a changing world. Make sure to watch to the end for amazing bonus facts. 1. Behold the mighty lion. Lions are truly a force to be reckoned with. Their muscular build and powerful jaws allow them to deliver a bone-crushing bite force of over 600 pounds per square inch. This means that they can easily take down large prey, such as buffalo or zebras, with a single bite to the neck. The strength of their legs also allows them to take down prey that is running at full speed. When it comes to hunting, lions use their incredible strength and teamwork to become successful predators. Lions are one of the only big cats that hunt in groups, or prides, and they work together to take down the prey. The females in the pride are often the primary hunters, with the males protecting the group and only joining in when necessary. The coordinated attacks of a pride can take down even the largest and most dangerous prey, making them a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. 2. The secretive social structures of lions. Lions are not only known for their physical prowess, but also for the unique social structures. They are the only social cats, living in groups called prides that can number up to 30 individuals. These prides are usually made up of several females and their offspring, along with a few males who are responsible for protecting the pride and mating with the females. Interestingly, males in a pride are often related and will form coalitions with their brothers, cousins, or even unrelated males in order to compete for control over a pride. These coalitions can be incredibly powerful, allowing the males to hunt more effectively and protect their territory from other males. The social structures of lions are complex and fascinating, and are still being studied by researchers to this day. 3. Roaring across the savannah. Lions are known for the thunderous roar, which can be heard from up to 5 miles away. But this iconic sound is more than just a way to intimidate other animals. Lions use their roar to communicate with other members of their pride, to warn off potential threats, and to establish their territory. In fact, each pride has its own unique roar that helps distinguish it from others in the area. Roaring isn't the only way that lions communicate, though. They also use a variety of other vocalizations, like growls, grunts, and snarls, to convey different messages. And they use body language and facial expressions, such as licking, tail flicking, and ear flattening, to signal their intentions and emotions. 4. The brutal reality of lion hunting and kill techniques. Lions are skilled hunters and formidable apex predators, relying on a combination of stealth, teamwork, and brute force to bring down their prey. They use their powerful muscles and sharp claws to chase and capture prey, often targeting weak or injured animals. However, lions do have some weaknesses when it comes to hunting. They do not pay much attention to wind direction, making it easier for prey to detect their scent. Additionally, lions tire quickly, and a high proportion of their hunts end in failure. Despite these challenges, lions are highly successful hunters, with a success rate of around 30%. Once lions have selected their prey, they stalk it, moving slowly and stealthily until they are within striking distance. Then, with a sudden burst of speed, they launch themselves at their target, often biting it on the neck to deliver a fatal blow. Lions typically hunt in groups, with females working together to ambush and bring down prey. After a successful kill, the lions will often gorge themselves on the fresh meat, with the males eating first followed by the females and cubs. 5. The circle of life. Lion mating and reproduction. Lion breeding is a highly competitive and intense process. Male lions will often fight each other to gain access to a pride's females during breeding season, using their strength and size to intimidate their rivals. Females will only mate with the strongest and most dominant males, which ensures that their offspring will have the best chance of survival. Once a female lion gives birth, she will keep her cubs hidden in a den for the first few weeks of their lives. During this time, she will nurse them and protect them from predators. As the cubs grow older, they will start to venture out of the den and play with each other under the watchful eye of the adult lions in the pride. Unfortunately, lion cubs are highly vulnerable to predators and other threats, with mortality rates as high as 50% in the first year of life. To increase their chances of survival, lion cubs are raised within the pride and benefit from the protection and support of other females. This allows the mother to leave her cubs for extended periods of time to hunt for food, while the other females in the pride keep a watchful eye on the young. When a new male lion takes over a pride, he often kills any cubs fathered by the previous male to ensure that his own genes will be passed on to the next generation. This behavior is known as infanticide and is seen in many animal species, including lions. The reasoning behind this behavior is that the male wants to ensure that any future cubs will be his own and not those of the previous male. 6. Lions once roamed 3 continents. Lions were once widespread throughout America, Europe, and Asia, with several subspecies adapting to the unique environments of each region. The American lion, also known as the American cave lion, was one of the largest subspecies, and lived in North and South America during the Pleistocene epoch. The European cave lion and the Asiatic lion were also once widespread, but their populations declined due to hunting and habitat loss. Today, the only remaining populations of Asiatic lions are found in the Gir forest of India, while the European cave lion is extinct. 7. Royal catnaps, sleeping habits of lions. Lions are not just lazy, they are champions of rest. They are well known for their ability to sleep for up to 20 hours a day. This prolonged slumber is not just a sign of laziness, it's a survival strategy. Lions conserve their energy during the hottest parts of the day, and are most active during the cooler times of dawn and dusk when they hunt for prey. In fact, the periods of intense activity during hunting can be so physically demanding that they require a lot of rest to recuperate. The ability to sleep for long hours is just one of the many adaptations that make lions such successful predators in their environment. 8. Fact or fiction? Debunking the myth that lions can't swim. Contrary to popular belief, lions are capable swimmers and are known to swim across rivers and lakes in search of prey or to move between territories. Lions have been observed swimming distances of up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles, and can swim at speeds of up to 6 miles per hour, 10 kilometers per hour. However, not all lions are comfortable in the water, and some may avoid swimming if possible. 9. Symbolism and cultural significance of lions. Lions have played a significant role in human culture for centuries, appearing in art, mythology, and literature across the globe. They have been revered for their strength and bravery, and in many cultures, lions are regarded as symbols of royalty and power. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the goddess Sekhmet was depicted with the head of a lioness, and in Hindu mythology, the goddess Durga rode a lion into battle. In addition to their symbolic significance, lions have also been hunted for sport and as trophies, a practice that has led to declines in lion populations in many parts of the world. Today, lions continue to be an important cultural symbol, representing the wild and untamed spirit of nature. 10. A glimmer of hope for their future survival. However, wild lion populations continue to decline, with only an estimated 20,000 remaining in Africa today, down from an estimated 200,000 a century ago. This steep decline is due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-lion conflict, which includes retaliatory killings by farmers whose livestock are preyed upon by lions. If current trends continue, lions could become extinct in the wild within the next few decades. To prevent this, conservationists are working to raise awareness about the plight of lions and to implement measures to protect their habitats and reduce conflict with humans. They are also conducting research on lion behavior and biology to better understand how to conserve this iconic species. Bonus fact: in the late 1960s, 2 young Australians, John Rendell and Anthony Ace Bork, came across a lion cub at Harrods department store in London. They were immediately captivated by the adorable cub and decided to purchase him, despite the fact that they had no idea how to take care of a lion. John and Ace named the lion cub Christian, and they took him home to their flat in Chelsea, London. They quickly realized that raising a lion in a flat was no easy feat, but they were determined to give Christian the best possible life. They spent countless hours playing with Christian, feeding him, and even taking him for walks around the city on a leash. As Christian grew bigger and stronger, it became clear that they could not keep him in their flat forever. They knew that Christian belonged in the wild, where he could roam free and live out his natural instincts. They made the difficult decision to release Christian into the wild in Kenya, but not before ensuring that he was well prepared for life in the wilderness. After Christian was released into the wild, John and Ace were unsure if they would ever see him again. But in 1971, they decided to take a trip to Kenya to see if they could find Christian. To their amazement, they were able to track him down and were reunited with the now fully grown lion. The reunion between Christian and his former owners was captured on film and became a viral sensation on the internet in the 2000s. The story of Christian's upbringing and release into the wild has become a symbol of hope for conservationists, demonstrating that it is possible to reintroduce captive animals into the natural habitats. It is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures, and it is a powerful reminder of the importance of protecting and preserving our natural world. The book and documentary film continue to inspire people all around the world, and Christian's story will undoubtedly be told for generations to come. Lions will continue to capture our imaginations and inspire us with their strength, courage, and majesty. From the iconic characters of Simba, Mufasa, and Scar in The Lion King to the real-life lions roaming the African savannah, these magnificent creatures hold a special place in our hearts and culture. As we work to protect and conserve their populations, let us remember the words of Mufasa. Everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. As king, you need to understand that balance and respect all the creatures, from the crawling ant to the leaping antelope.